Dear viewers, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this chapter, we will explain the meanings of 12 Bhavas, or houses, in Thai astrology as follows. Bhava is called natal house, or house. There are 12 natal houses or 12 Bhavas. The house positions are not fixed. They are dependent on each native's ascendant position. Ascendant is where the calculation starts and represents the native. After calculating the natal chart and the ascendant is put in the right place, then we presume that first house is the house where the ascendant is in. Then we start counting to the left, counter-clockwise, accordingly. There are names and meanings for each house, Bhava. As the picture above depicts, assuming that the ascendant is in Capricorn, we will start counting it as first house. That is to say, the house of Tanu. The representative symbol is written down on the natal chart within the first house's space. First house of Tanu means self, in other words the native's self. It reflects habits, behaviors and manners etc. Second house of Kadampa means wealth, in other words, the native's economy. Third house of Sahaja means born together, such as friends, close friends, siblings and also short distance traveling. Fourth house of Bandhu means conjoint, in other words things connected to the self during birth period, for example parents and close relatives. Fifth house of Putta means drinking and joy, such as children, grandchildren, followers, recreational places, new things. Sixth house of Ari means enemy, in other words, dissatisfaction, obstacles, malice, disease. Seventh house of Patni means the opposite, such as spouse, partner, opposite sex, opposite party in lawsuit, other party in signing business contract. Eighth house of Mahana means death, in other words exhaustion, loss, inheritance, testament, transformation. Ninth house of Shubha means grace, in other words happiness, peace, journey, livelihood. 10th house of Karma means work, in other words career, hobby. 11th house of Labha means earnings, in other words acquiring unexpected things, acquiring things with ease. 12th house of Vinashana means disaster, in other words departure, disappearance, far away, imprisonment. There are more houses meanings than those mentioned above. But not all of them are necessary. Only the primary meanings are utilized. Among Ari, Mahana and Vinashana, Mahana has to be considered the most critical, since the losses are without any compensation. However, in the case of a ruling planet from Mahana is in Kadampa, it means gaining something from a loss or receiving inheritance. As for Ari, it just means displease or encounter obstacles. Vinashana just represents coming to an end, departure or living far away, loss without being in vain. Some compensations are still possible. According to the above picture, which assumes that the ascendant is in Capricorn. Therefore, Tanu, first house, is in Capricorn. Then consider that second house Kadampa is in Aquarius. Third house Sahaja is in Pisces, and so on. If the ascendant is in another zodiac sign, then we have to consider it as the first house and counting counterclockwise until all 12 houses are covered. Please stay tuned for the upcoming episodes.